Please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon for regular updates. Don't forget to subscribe it if you want more videos. Paper 1, Chapter 2, Ninth class. Polynomials and Factorization. Exercise 2.5. 8. Factorize each of the following. Say, first one is given. So what is given? 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square. So which is in the form of x plus y whole cube. That means x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This format is there, isn't it? Now see here, this can be converted like that. This means 8 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So that means 2 cube, isn't it? This can be written as 2 cube a cube plus b cube plus this is 3a square b. That means 3 into 4a square into b plus this is 3ab square. That means 3. A means a value is how much? 2a, isn't it? 3 into 2a into b square. See, this can be written as 2a whole cube. Next, this can be written as b whole cube plus this can be written as 3. This is you are taking inside, so that's why. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2, that is equals to 2 square, like this, understand? So 3 into 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b whole square. See, a cube plus b cube, 3a square b plus 3ab square. See here, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square, isn't it? Now which is in the form of like this. That means here value of x is what? 2a and value of y is what? b. So that means 2a plus b 2a plus b whole cube is the answer of the given question. Understand all of you? Yes. Now move to next question. Now see here in this solution, this means 8a 8a cube. 8 can be converted into 2 into 2 into 2 into a cube, isn't it? Now 2 power 3 into a power 3, that is equals to 2a whole cube. This means a cube. This is minus b cube. This is minus 12ab square. Means this means 12a square b. That means this can be written as 3 into a square, isn't it? That means 3 into 4a square into b. This can be converted as 3 into 4 can be converted as a 2 into 2 into a square into b. Once again that can be written as 3 into this is 2 square can be written as 2a whole square. Why? Both are having a square, isn't it? So 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square. So both are taken inside. To b, this term can be written as 6ab square. That means 3 into 2a into b square. Are you understood all of you? Clear this? Now, so which identity is there? That means x minus y whole cube identity is there. That means x cube minus y cube minus 3 x square y plus 3x y square, this format. Now convert this into like this, that means that equals to, this can be converted as like this, isn't it? That means 2 cube into a cube. I am written this step. Next minus b cube we can write as it is. Next minus 12a square b can be write this step first. So 3 into 4 a square b. Next plus 6 a b square can be write first this step. So 3 into 2a into b square, isn't it? Now this can be written as c here 2a whole cube. So that's why 2a whole cube. This can be written as minus b whole cube minus 3 into, this can be written as c here 2 into 2 becomes 2 square, that can be written as 2a. So 2a whole square into b plus this is 3 into 2a b whole square. This means here x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square, like that. Here x is what? 2a and y is what? b. So which format? This means 2a minus b whole cube is the answer of the given question. Are you understood, all of you? Yes. If you like this video, please share and subscribe it. Click on bell icon for regular updates. I did any mistake in this video, please apologize me. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. If you want more videos, go and check in my playlist. Please subscribe, click on bell icon for regular updates. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you very much.